Hello, once again. Welcome once again to another episode of GameLang. Today, we are going to be talking about a specific topic. It's been a long time since we uploaded new videos on our channel, but that was due to a very busy schedule we are having. A lot of programs were going on online, so I couldn't have enough time to upload new videos. So today we are going to be talking about how to learn English with programming language. So this is basically for everyone, but specifically for those who are into information technology. So if you are having a mind change and you're planning to start something new, you're planning to get involved into something that has been in the highlights of all professions, like programming language, and this is an opportunity for you. So today we are going to pick a specific programming language, which is very universal. It is used by everyone. It is accessible by everyone. It is like an open source program. So I'm going to do my best to break down and explain this programming as much as I can so everyone can be able to benefit from it. So this is going to be a series program for everyone. So everyone who is interested in learning something new, people who are involved into programming language, who are involved into software development, people who are involved into Android, iOS, and whatever operating system app development, this course is for you. So I'm going to be explaining step by step. And before we go deeply into what we are going to do today, first, we are going to learn what is Python, because most people do not understand how valuable Python has helped programmers or software developers to improve their selves. So we are going to talk about what is Python. We are going to explain in detail, so don't worry. I'm going to show you how we can download and install Python. I'm also going to show you how we can use Python to build mobile applications. I'm going to show you how we can improve our English learning how to program in Python. So this is the main important aspect of it. We're not only going to learn how to use Python, we are not going to learn how to use Python to build apps, mobile apps, I mean Android and iOS apps, but we are still going to learn English while doing so. So please stay tuned, because this is going to be a series. We are going to be having different series from the very beginning, from 0 to 100 levels. So stay tuned and continue to watch through. So what is this requirement? What does this course requires? It requires very few information. Now, the course requirements as listed below are just 4 for now. So what do we need? You must have intermediate level in English. That means you can be able to understand English language. You can be able to speak and express yourself in English language. You can be able to write and read English words. You can be able to answer questions and also ask questions in English language. So ordinarily, intermediate level can keep you going in this course. But for those who are interested in the Russian version of this episode of this course we're going to embark on, please leave your comment in the subscription below. So in this video, we are going to be using English first. Then in subsequent videos, if subscribers and those who are interested leave their comments and wants to learn this particular course in Russian language, then we are going to prepare a Russian version. But for now, we are sticking to English language. So the second part of it is going to be interested in computer programming, software development, or mobile applications. So please, this is going to be an extra. I mean an extra in the sense that there are certain people who are interested in learning new things. There are certain group of people who are interested in developing their skills. So if we all know, as we all know, that this is the 21st century and technology, internet is something we can't do without. So due to the epidemic and also the COVID and restrictions, you see that most people are now moving into the technological aspect. So it is good and wise for everybody, wherever you are, it doesn't matter, that you should get involved in technology. So this is also good for everybody. It doesn't matter for kids, I wrote it down there, or for adults. Now, secondly, good internet connection. Yes, whatever we are going to do today will require your internet connections. So stay tuned for that. A copybook and a pen, so you can jot down important points that will be beneficial for you, and you can refer them to whenever you are having certain difficulties. So this course is going to be interactional, and you can also place your comments. Okay, any questions you are having, any options you are having, any ideas you are having, any opinions you're having, please don't be shy. Place it on the comment below. And if this is actually your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please don't fail to click on the subscription button, subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can hit up to 1,000 subscribers and give you all a live stream design and of this kind of programs. So the 1,000 subscribers will help us to be able to come on live program, live stream, and also answer questions, do question and answer sessions. We call it for short Q&A. For those who are interested in asking questions, be it in Russian language, be it in English language, be it in French language. Okay, so moving forward, we are going to be having who is this course meant for? Like just what I just said not quite long ago, this course is meant for everyone. Everyone, I mean everyone. It doesn't matter where you're from. It doesn't matter what you do. It doesn't matter your age. It doesn't matter even if you have a zero knowledge in computer programming. So I'm going to make sure that I explain in details as much as I can for everyone to benefit, even somebody with no computer programming skills. Now, secondly, people who want to learn things, new things, and improve their English while doing so. So, learning English doesn't mean you have to focus mainly on English materials. It doesn't mean you have to be reading English words, learning new vocabularies, reading English comprehension taxes. Doesn't mean you have to learn dialogue and all the grammar, but learning this programming language alone, you can find certain things that you can benefit from it and also improve your English language while doing so. So you're using a stone to kill two birds. So the third is children are also part of this course. So children also have a part to learn in this course. They can also learn a lot of things from this course, like what they say, like what the regular say that says, catch them when they are young. So it is good that children benefits from the latest technology now when it is still young, before it is going to be late. So that will help them to improve more in their knowledge. So what are we going to do? We are going to now go deep into the first section where we talked about Python. So please take note. We are going to be looking at Python. So just what you need to do is to go to their website, python.org. You have the information here. This is a straight information. I just want to run deeply into a few information on what is Python, just in case somebody is having some poor understanding about what is Python. So this Python is, I'm going to read what is on their page, the official website of Python. It said Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. It is high-level built in data structures combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding, make it very attractive for rapid application development, as well as for use as a scripting or clue language to connect existing components together. So I don't want to read all that is being written on the screen, but what this means is that Python is a language that is easy to learn and can be used to produce or build mobile apps, computer apps, or whatever apps. So while you are doing it, you're going to be learning easy way of understanding what a programming language looks like. So that is the simple way I can explain it to you. So programming language, like we all know, most people think it is something complex. It is not complex. So programming language is easy. So well, this is the first section. So the next section we are going to go into is going to be designing and installing. So we are first going to be installing. Before we install this, I want to show you guys what we are going to be building, what you are going to be seeing in this course. Because first, I need to let you guys know that we are going to be having a lot of designs. Okay, first, let's see what we can be able to produce using Python. Now, I'm going to show you certain aspect of this course. So this is a mobile app that we are going to be building in this course. Okay, you can see how beautiful it is. So where you can be able to add certain informations, you can be able to click on certain areas. You can see the icons of the programs. So this is one of those programs we are going to be working on. So we're also going to be building a profile page. Also, we are going to be building a profile page. Now, this is a profile page where you have the photo, your name, your email address, your profile, your inbox, your calls, and every other information using this Python programming language. It is so nice. So you can even click on them. We are going to be learning a lot of informations, how you can move from one point to another. So we are also going to build a registration page, okay, where people can be able to log into their account. And if they don't put any information on their login page, when they click on the button sign in, they will be prompted with information, username, check, please enter a username. So they can close it. It's going to be very friendly. So in our next videos, in the next video, we are going to be talking about how to install Python on your computer, how to install it through the terminal, and whatever requirement or softwares you need in order to install it. So if there is any question you are having, any ideas or whatever you think you want to, please place your comment below. And if this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please don't go away. Subscribe and click on the notification bell so you will be part of this episode and the information. It is all free, so click on the subscription below. I see you in the next video.